Hi, I am Florian Francis Lagaw, a virtual professional at MyOpDesk. As a virtual professional, I am dedicated to streamlining your business operations by providing reliable and efficient administrative support. I decided to join the mod team because I like challenging myself and enhancing my skills. In return, I'm committed to using my expertise in order to help the company improve its operations, achieve its goals, and provide outstanding client support. As a team leader at Exentia Manila and Intelligent.com LLC, I developed my leadership and administrative skills, handling tasks such as email correspondence, coaching, presentations, and meeting coordinations. As a catalog writer and a broadcast monitor, I strengthened my writing and editing capabilities. While my experience as a contact finding agent allowed me to learn more about SEO lead generation and backlinking practices. With over a decade worth of working experience, I am proficient in using tools such as MS Office, WPS Office, and G Suite. I take pride in delivering excellent work, and I am someone who truly believes I can achieve great things, especially when I dedicate myself to fully committing to a task. I can help you leverage your time by doing excellent administrative support, streamlining your communications, and ensuring high quality work so that you can focus more on strategic priorities and core business practices, knowing that essential operational tasks are in good, capable hands. Again, I am Florian Lagaw, and we are partners in accelerating your growth as a business.